This is my 2017 manual Citroen Grand C4 Picasso 1.6. So we're going to change to gearbox oil. This is what I'm going to use, 75W over 80, about 2 litres of the stuff. Now you're not going to use a funnel, so you're going to need a syringe. I would ideally get one with a longer hose, but this is the one I've got. Now changing oil means you're going to need an oil pan or something to collect it in. And then tools wise, you got your hammer, some WD-40, a bit of wood, but more importantly, you got your 10mm and your 16mm sockets. And as well as that, this square socket, 8mm square socket, it cost me about £4 from Halfords. I used it when I changed my Berlingo's cam belts. As well as that, the vehicle's up on ramps, and I've got my enthusiasm and a coffee. The French decided that we didn't need to access this drain, so we are going to have to make some space. To get to here, we need to undo this nut there, and then swing forward the engine. It's less complicated than it sounds, so let's loosen this clamp here, and just swing it forwards. With it being 120,000 miles on British roads, I'm just going to lube up all of my nuts, because I don't want to snap anything. And we're just going to grab the 16mm. I've actually got the ratchet spanner here, and just loosen that up. And using the same spanner, I'm going to loosen the clamp holding the flexi part of the exhaust. Now, ooh, that's a bit loose. Well, the bolt itself seized, but that should not be sliding off. I would never have known this, so I must have had a blow and I've just not known. Okay, that's properly seized, and yeah, I shouldn't be able to just remove this like so. Well, if yours has loosened, you're going to use 2 screwdrivers just to prise apart the clamp and just, again, loosen it, just so it's like that. I'll come back to that later. With it still in place but loosened, I'm just going to push this up out of the way, and then we can remove the pin. And now you can see the engine will swing back and forth. You just need that clamp loosened, not removed. Get your wood in place just to hold the engine. And then we can get our 8mm square peg and just pop it in. Now, if you're new here, which you probably are, unlike a lot of YouTubers, I like to leave my mistakes and kind of messes in. It just shows that I'm also crap. But can you guess what I'm about to do? Yeah.
Well, that's not good.
And now it's currently resting on my square peg, so not ideal. I'm just going to tighten that up again.
Okay.
Right, wood back in place. I'm going to be a little bit more careful now and remove this nut and drain the oil. Alright, plug removed. So we're going to use the same one again, so keep a hold of it. It's going to clean it up, and as you can see, there is some metal fragments stuck to the end. It's not too bad, it's not big chunks, and I've had a look in the oil and there's no real big metal bits in there. But my gearbox is original, and it is a little bit ugh. So, going to clean this up anyway. Maybe I'll do a clutch video soon enough. It does need doing, just putting it off. And reinsert the same plug. Nice and tight. Again, I'm sure there's a torque setting. Just do it tight. It doesn't need to be torqued. A bit of wiggle. Almost not the wood again. And now I can lower the wood. And of course, being me, it's caught. There we go. Now it's actually uncaught. Pretending this clamp is happy, we're going to just tighten that up. And we're also going to reinsert the pin here. So you've just worked in reverse after draining the oil. And there isn't a real filler cap, but you do have this breather cap just down here. It's a plastic cap, just sort of wiggle and pull. And this is where the syringe is going to come in handy. This hose isn't long enough, but it's what I've got, so it's what I'm going to use. And it's about 500mm, 550mm, so 4 of these in theory should fill it up. So the hose kind of goes in this hole without trying to make too much mess, which I will inevitably make loads of mess. The oil can then be pushed in. This isn't intentionally artistic, just the camera fell. So this is your shot. And that's it done. Now we can just try and fix this clamp.
Oh, fuck.
Well, I snapped it straight off. Who saw that coming, eh? Be gone! Oh, it's so hard to remove.